Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. Ito pala ang full video ni Zia Dantes sa kanyang birthday. So kung matatanda natin, si Zia ay nag 8 years old in Descendants-inspired birthday party. Makikita naman natin ang napakagandang dress na suot-suot ni Zia. Para talaga siyang prinsesa. Bagay na bagay talaga sa kanya. Marian kept it classy and understated in a black button-down dress. At si Sixto naman, looked equally regal in his fairy tale prince garb. Para talaga siyang little prince at bagay din sa kanya. Zia looked every inch a princess in her purple and pink ball gown, with a tiny tiara atop her head. At napaka-eye-catching talaga ng tablescapes that fit for royalty, and the apples that adorn each guest plate. Ang ganda tingnan, sobra. Anyway, sabi ni Marian sa kanyang anak, "Happy birthday to the sweetest princess in the world." And also she added, "Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and endless joy. May all your dreams come true. Love you always." Napaka-sweet talaga ng mami ni Zia. Sa kanyang grand birthday party, sobrang daming bisita guys, kasama na sila Rochelle Pangilinan. Zia also celebrated her 8th birthday at home with her classmates. Grabe ka na talaga Zia, ang swerte mo. Napakaswerte talaga ni Zia guys, kanyang mami yan at daddy dong. Dahil napaka-supportive nito. Ginagawa talagang napaka-engranding birthday party na hindi talaga malilimutan ni Zia. Makikita talaga natin guys na sobrang saya nila sa birthday ni Zia. At of course, makikita din natin na masaya naman ang birthday girl. So guys, keep watching the video and hope you enjoyed!